Here in the beautiful tranquility of the North Norfolk estate of Blickling Hall, run by the National Trust. Just have a listen. It's birds, all you can hear. And it's such a peaceful environment that they've had to take great care to try and not disturb it. So rather than putting in conventional wooden bridges and boardwalks, they've used recycled plastic so that they don't have to keep coming back and repairing and painting and replacing. So take a look at this. Ooh. Guaranteed for 25 years without needing to be interfered with. And as you can see, this has been in for a while, all the stuff that's fallen off the trees, but it's not going to degrade. Ooh, what's that we've got there? So they don't need to keep coming back. Look how beautiful this place is. And so if you've got to put an access route in like this is a little bridge over a stream normally when it's flooding. You want to do it so that you can put it in and forget it. And that's what's happened here. So there you go. The National Trust looking after your money and the environment by choosing British recycled plastic.